Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. When your Mitsubishi air conditioner stops responding to the remote, it can feel like the entire unit is stuck, even though the AC itself is perfectly fine. You press buttons but nothing happens, no beep, no change, no response at all. This situation is usually caused by a communication issue between the remote and the indoor unit rather than a major malfunction. It could be something simple like weak batteries, signal blockage, or a temporary system glitch. Since the remote relies on a clear infrared signal, even small interruptions can prevent it from working properly. The good part is that this problem can usually be fixed in just a few minutes if you follow the right steps. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get your Mitsubishi Aircon responding to the remote again. Try these. Step 1. Replace the remote batteries with the new and working ones. Step 2. Point the remote directly at the air conditioner sensor. Step 3. Turn off the AC from the power source and reset it. Step 4. Wait briefly before restoring power to the unit. Step 5. Clean the remote sensor area on the indoor unit. Step 6. Turn the AC back on and test the remote response.